In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Lovable. Switching to dark mode is a great way to reduce eye strain, especially if you spend long hours working on your screen. So, let's dive into the steps to make your Lovable experience more comfortable and stylish by turning on dark mode. First, make sure you're logged into your Lovable account. Once you've confirmed that, locate the profile icon on your dashboard. It's typically situated at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon often looks like a small silhouette of a person or a circular photo, so keep an eye out for that. Hover over it and give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Now that you have the drop-down menu open, look for the option labeled Appearance. This is where many of the customization settings for your account are housed. Clicking Appearance will direct you to the section where you can change how your dashboard looks. This option might be among other settings options, but don't worry, it's easy to spot once you know where to look. Once you're in the Appearance section, you'll see different themes you can choose from. Here you will find a setting labeled Dark. This is the setting we're interested in. Go ahead and click on Dark. This simple action will switch your dashboard to a darker color scheme. You will immediately notice the change as the background and text colors invert to more muted, subdued tones, making it easier on the eyes during nighttime or in dimly lit environments. Enabling dark mode not only provides a sleek and modern look, but it also can help in improving your concentration by reducing glare from the screen. It can be beneficial if you tend to work during late hours, allowing your eyes to remain relaxed. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Lovable. Remember, if at any point you wish to switch back, you can follow the same steps and choose a different theme from the appearance menu. Customizing the appearance of your dashboard is a quick process, but it makes a big difference in enhancing your user experience. Feel free to explore other settings in the appearance section as well. Finding the perfect setup can really personalize your work environment and improve your productivity. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to enable dark mode in Lovable. If you find this feature useful, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out for more tips.